July 15th, 2025. Remember this date. July 15th, 2025. Remember this date, because YouTube is about to change, and not in a small way. This isn't just another algorithm tweak or a shiny new button in the dashboard. This is something deeper, a quiet shift in power. The kind you won't hear about in any blog post or flashy announcement. Just another vague email, another patch note buried in a creator newsletter no one even opens. While creators are busy designing thumbnails and filming shorts, YouTube's backend is silently rewriting the rules of the game. Let's break it down. Here's what's really coming. 1. AI-moderated comment scanning 2.0. This is more than deleting toxic comments. YouTube is about to tag your audience. Yes, your viewers, based on how they speak. Labels like engagement positive, sarcasm risk, or potential troll. So if someone shares a strong opinion or doesn't fit the safe tone, their comment might never even reach you. Worse, their voice begins to vanish across the entire platform. Slowly, quietly, without them ever knowing. This isn't moderation anymore. It's quiet audience control. 2. Dynamic thumbnail swapping. Creators are about to lose control of what viewers actually see. YouTube's AI will now swap out thumbnails in real time, testing 5 versions of your video cover, and you won't decide which one wins. If your original thumbnail is considered too aggressive, too sarcastic, or even just off-brand, it could be replaced permanently with a cleaner version generated by the system. So while you think you're making bold visual choices, YouTube might already be scrubbing them out. 3. Voice sentiment flagging in long videos. This one's been quietly testing since April, and it's unsettling. YouTube's AI is now listening to your tone. Literally, it scans your voice for emotion, sarcasm, intensity, frustration, even subtle anger. Say the wrong thing about a big company, sound a little too sharp when talking about politics, or criticize YouTube itself, your video might get algorithmically suppressed without a single warning or strike. You're not just being watched, you're being emotionally scanned. 4. The For You feed reset. YouTube's homepage is getting rebuilt again. But this time, the goal is to create a stable emotional experience. What does that mean? It means videos that make people feel too much. Excitement, anger, sadness, even passion might get quietly deprioritized. The system wants safe, predictable, positive. If your content is honest, raw, or even just a little edgy, expect your impressions and reach to take a hit, unless you're a legacy creator with ad trust. Basically, authentic content is no longer safe. 5. Auto-narrate shorts. Beta. Here's one that sounds helpful, but isn't. YouTube's launching a tool that auto-translates and narrates your shorts in other languages. Sounds great, until you realize your voice is cloned. Your words are reworded, your tone is redefined by AI. You won't even be notified unless you opt out. Most creators won't know it's happening, and the system can change your entire message without your permission. It's not expansion, it's quiet manipulation. So what does all this really mean? It means YouTube isn't just a platform anymore. It's a behavioral mirror, constantly adjusting what we see, how we speak, and even how we feel. The updates rolling out on July 15th might seem minor on the surface, but they signal something bigger. A shift from creator-driven content to algorithm-curated obedience. The harsh truth is, authenticity is now seen as a threat. Real people are unpredictable, and the system doesn't like unpredictable. Not for viewers, not for advertisers, and not for you. So as creators, we face a choice. Keep playing the game, smile, stay on script, feed the algorithm, stay silent, or start paying attention, start questioning what we're actually part of. Because on this version of YouTube, success isn't just about talent anymore. Sometimes it's about silence. This is the Glitch Archive. Stay awake, stay unpredictable.